Hey guys, it's Aiden and
Lacey
from Rain City, and today our mom will be showing you guys how to sew the Warren Ave shirt sleeveless option. She will be posting the website down below so you can purchase her pattern. Now let's get sewing.
Bye.
So for our sleeveless version, I'm going to do it with a crop top. So my required pieces are a crop top front, a crop top back, an undershirt front, and an undershirt back. All right, to start off, we want to sew our crop top and our undershirt at the shoulder seams. So the undershirt, we're actually going to sew it wrong sides together. So this is the wrong side, this is the right side, and I'm gonna lay the front on top, line up the shoulder seams right here, and that's where I'll sew. But on the crop top, we're going to sew it right sides together. So this is the right side, that's the wrong side, and just lay that right there, line those up, and we'll sew those shoulder seams as well. So the next step is to sew the crop top to the undershirt. So we're going to take it and we're going to open it up and we're going to lay it right side down. And then we're going to take the crop top and we're also going to lay this right side down. We're going to line these shoulder seams up, and I'm going to press my seam to the back of the shirt. And then I'm just going to sew, using a stretch stitch, this neck opening right there. Alright, so my neck here is sewn, and I'm going to turn it right side out, just to make sure that I sewed it on correctly. And that's exactly how it's supposed to be. So next we're going to do the arm side. So making this sleeveless is pretty easy, although it can seem a little complicated. All we're going to do is take this side and wrap it around this side. So it just goes like this. Just going to shove that in there, and then I'm going to connect these sides and pin or clip them in place. And make sure to push that side out of the way because you don't want to accidentally sew it. So we'll put a clip right there. And then I'm going to meet up here at this corner. You want to, when you sew, not sew the corner, starting at the corner, leave 3/8 of an inch for sewing the side seam. So just like that. Again, with this, you don't want to sew that 3/8 area right there. So mark it with a fabric chalk or whatever you got so that you know not to start there. If you start there, that's fine. Just clip the threads out. So there we go. And then we just sew from here to here, skipping this corner and that corner. Okay, so here it's sewn, this corner, 3/8 of an inch not sewn, and likewise for this one. You're just going to turn it right side out. Just like that. And now we will repeat the process on this side. So these two pieces are going to go over this piece. Some people like to roll this That may help you to figure out where you're going here. But I don't. I just shove it over there because I'm lazy. So this opens up and it goes around that side that we already sewed. Meet it at that shoulder seam and clip it. And then this goes around that area that we rolled. And then right here at this seam. And then we'll just sew, push that rolled piece out of the way from the corner, starting 3/8 inch away from the corner, all the way up and around. So let's look at that one more time. So this seam is going to wrap around this piece right here. So take it and wrap it around, push it out of the way, and then clip it. Then we're going to take this and wrap it around that side of the shirt and clip it. And we're going to take this and this and wrap it around the other side of the shirt. And clip it. And we're just going to sew starting 3/8 inch away from that corner up and around and then stopping 3/8 before. Alright, so it's sewn. Now we just turn it right side out. Awesome. So next we're going to work on sewing the side seams. Alright, so to do the side seams we're going to sew, we'll start with a crop top. We're going to sew it right sides together. So we're just going to fold the crop top back over the front here. Move our undershirt out of the way. And here you can see is that 3/8 inch corner that we didn't sew. So we will start at that corner and then sew all the way down to the hem, and we'll repeat that on the other side. Okay, with the crop top side seams sewn, we're going to do the undershirt. And you just want to kind of push that undershirt out of the way. And with the undershirt in like this, you can see that these corners naturally want to just fold in. And you are going to want to keep them like that, folded down. It should be folded down 3/8 of an inch, but if it's not, no big deal. So it naturally wants to fold down, just let it do that. And just line up the side seam. You're going to sew that. Then you're going to want to do the other one. Make sure you move that crop top out of the way. There. Now with this lined up, I'll go ahead and sew from here to here and here to here. With the side seam sewn, you want to turn this right side out. So just like that. And you should have a very tiny hole possibly here. and we're gonna go ahead and press the shirt and then top stitch around, and that'll close that little tiny hole up. You're also gonna want to press the neck area and also top stitch that. It's gonna lay a lot better top stitched. So our last step is to hem it. I like to turn my shirt inside out when I hem. So you'll just want to turn that hem up a 1/2 inch and then sew it in place, and then repeat the process on the crop top. Press it up a 1/2 inch and then sew it in place using a stretch stitch. All right, so our hem is done, top stitching done, and our crop top shirt is done. Bam.
Avenue shirt.
I say
Aiden. Warren Avenue shirt, sleeveless option. You guys, my mom will be the Warren Avenue sky.